Hi guys, thanks for joining NAIJA Watch on this wonderful and educative video. We NAIJA Watch are here to entertain you with varieties of amazing and top-notch videos. We live stream daily just to make sure your screen is being entertained with amazing videos. So please do endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click to the notification button so you will always be notified whenever we are going live. Thank you.
Good evening, my people. Now me again. As far as a problem day, me I go continue to the talk. Today again, this matter I go shock you now. Iyogbe College and Arkansas students. The thing not too bad. Our society not too bad. So they now gone the road come out when they deal with themselves. Today. Iyogbe College and Arkansas College for Benin City IC Road. Will they go front or will they go back? Now societal problem I be that one. That one everybody na potential danger. Now would they? This one if say this matter say my pikin no dey go Iyogbe, my children not dey near there. You know say children they make friends. Where their friendship they end, nobody they know. But today surprised me when I hear say although they've tried to fight well before they do everything, but today now gone small children road come out. Why cause am? Because parents fail, society fail. Those who will also entrust power give also fail the people. For Benin now, Benin don't talk to us whether they sell drugs, cartel all over the place. Near school there, Iyogbe there, cartel there they sell drug. What you go expect from such place? The one who co pursue for Delta State where destroy property, it there though. It they operate for Iyogbe there. Without locals, you know if you do one. Any area where criminality not the criminality not fit strive. This one everybody problem. So tey it all bad reach that level say secondary school students they'll carry gun, they fight themselves. The other day I go there when I the visit school inspection. One of the two secondary school there, men from state side they look for one come carry their mate come where they go rob. The one way escape na one of the school they go there. They say they'll send am for school. This is a very big problem. Now the whole of IC road after talking just now. After talking IC road, the IC don't come out, the road don't come out. That road for afternoon they will rob you successfully, nothing go there. It dey isolate, it dey very quiet. Because if you throw needle for ground there, you go hear the sound. Till 11 for morning, students for both schools still dey parabolate, they no go enter school. They are journey street. We just join am, just forget that one. Now add that for criminal. Now it dey, na that area dey. By 7:30, all those area nobody fit waka pass am. Unless you get wetin take hold body, you fit pass am. As government see that kind of area as e be so, at a time those state government vex, they shut down the school. Shut down the school not be the issue. Now to put the proper mechanism in order to ensure that that kind of thing no go fit happen. Now only this country, na me and see say person dey sick, he go know the sickness, he no go wan apply the medicine may take care of am. Any problem wey you know, you already know the solution 50%. But in our own, we'll close eye. Because for every problem here, people they make money, they make fortune for themselves. So you go say not concern me, so find me go and mulawa. And all those news they hear by do you know a discouraged person. Say secondary school students go learn, now go they do courtesan, go carry gun, now rival this one, now they fight for who strong pass, who gbege pass, now root gun come out. Me at this level, I want beg Edo State government. Make they go open police post. No, it's a police post to better police post. Either of you make and saw divisional office of police, where those men wey see strong for police, intelligence officer go dey, because if they go put normal police post there, police go dey relax, they go overrun them, because the crime wey dey take over for that, wey dey happen for that place don be small, and na the environment for there na im dey spoil those children, because the environment is so negative that na so bad thing na im dey strive for that area. Na im dey strive for that area. They dey sell drug for that area, other bad things all dey happen for that Yogbe quarter, Yogbe area there, IC road. Criminal just forget, from there go down second all of them, and all those areas no better road link them, no better road link them. I always say government see do road follow am now, e go give life to that IC road. People go get mind to the persons, and things wey no fit dey happen anyhow. And those are joining street, they go open them. You can open one of the road off IC road there to Siloko road by Travis, you take am straight to Siloko road, but those roads they don die because no attention, nothing, because nobody wey people wey will get wey will saddle with such responsibility, they no dey see all those ones. So I don't know wetin we wan do about this wahala, because this wahala na everybody own o. Na one person dey born pikin, but na community na dey raise children. The way Benin dey go now, e don dey turn to small Sicily o, small Sicily. I think as e be so, everybody will put us together how to solve this problem. But the one wey me talk na we say government make dem empower police, make dem go put police, better police post for that place, active one. And this vigilante dey do so, although those ones get their own dey their body, make dem deploy them to schools, various schools, instead wey dem go make dem dey constitute nuisance for outside. They go deploy them go various schools, so that those ones, they are present at the presence of police, go bring sanity. Those madness wey not clear e go pure, e go clear. Because I see the talk and say the wahala wey dey Nigeria, especially this Benin, na fight between the rich and the poor. Anywhere the poor dey, no development. Any market wey the poor dey go, na dey dirty. The school wey the children of the poor dey go, na not get attention. Go to Yogba and Akenzua, the old boys, old student association, na shadow of itself, na im for be. But by and large, the environment wey dey there, na government so clear am, open up the whole place, put solar light for those areas, so that life go dey. Do the road, no the one they do wey you see by your one come that time, one come share market money. They do one year go bubu year. As that one come out, vice president come out, rain wash am, he wash the road come out. Those are taxpayers' money. If you no wan use am do job, use am create. You no use am do the road wey wan wash to, use am create job wey people go dey work. Use am create job. So this society e get as e be o. Parents, una fail well o. Your pikin come from school, you dey sit down dey carry a note, dey go through a note one by one, wetin you study for school today, from date look am, look e pocket, e bag, whether wetin you no buy for am e get am, or the kind of association wey your pikin dey keep, you dey take time to know them, or you na papa or mama, you go enter house by 6 o'clock, pikin wey dey under your control go come house after 9. If you be that kind parent, you don fail. Because even when government dey fail us, those wey we elect dey fail us, e still dey important make we dey fail ourselves, because na we dey feel the heat o. Whether you take it or you leave it, those people wey dey there, they no believe for this system. We na their, wey they call am, na we dey lay their golden eggs, and na we dey work their money wey they take dey survive. That is the only purpose wey we dey. Say your children better, you better, how is it their business? So you must also take responsibility, because say fowl wey perch for top of rope, he no go get rest of mind. The rope sef no go get rest of mind. Na so papa or mama wey born bad pikin dey be, he no go get rest of mind, he no go get peace of mind. He go get disgrace. He no dey ever settle because why? He don meet disappointment. Because the time wey he for talk, go say he no fit talk. Na him know if he like better. Those one na main math. When the work start, we know say no be at the dey talk daddy, no be that they call mommy. Parents wey their children dey go that school and that school, take responsibility. Go to your children's school. Go check the attendance of your child. Na 2 times that they take attendance of school. That of morning and after break. Na your duty o, because you no get time for your children to monitor them. You be person wey plan to fail. And when man plan to fail, the problem wey dey end up no be small. I dey use this one dey advise my Edo people, say mo no shy away from our responsibility. Even when we not get people who will call. The regulators dey sleep. All the one that they regulate na to regulate their pocket and the money, our money. Community leader for that areas, una photo, they pursue people for other place like Delta State. E come una place, come get cartel. They spoil una children. Now Omila na dominate that area. If you dey waka sef, if you not, they fit carry before they remove you, say thief you not go know. Now I say police not know, police know. NDLA, the regulator, are fully aware of this place where they talk. So they go to that place and go and collect their own share of the zobo. Compromising their own job, they made their own work they difficult for them to do. They chop money, they kill yourself, they kill your own future, the future of your children. Because government employ you to do that job, you take an opportunity to make money. You know what you they do? You know, be like those people where say no concern, I go throw stone, go put for inside market. Market stone, I go meet mama. That one, you don't do yourself with that. If you eat money illegally, my brother, you are a fool, biggest fool. You dey do yourself. That kind of person say what you supposed to fight, you go chop money, take cover am. You don't fail yourself with that. You are a disgrace to your family, to your village where you come from, to your own self, to your state where you dey serve, and the nation at large. You not disgrace. You go come on, you go buy the small one, where if they buy the drugs, you go leave the one where the dealer, you go leave am. When you come na broke, na roll, na he lost, go there, na go collect una whole share of the zobo, una move. May I tell you, I promise you, if you see check am, your children will be drug addict one day. Because na wetin person plant, na they reap. Because you don't put other people for your own shoe. You say na the money, the danger wey dey not concern you. Your own dey wait for you. Your own na special judgment. Because you don't fail your oath of office. Because that office, you take oath before they give you that job. Governor too, you take oath on oath to protect the lives of every Edo people. Those who were elected for various areas, the House of Representative members, like senator, where they represent those areas, una fail. And also enough na don't visit that area until when election they come again. Una they carry bag of salt and bag of onion. Take deceive yourself. They give 2,000. And those foolish ones serve, they'll go collect. See said their free, see said their vote, their future, their right. The only right way you still get to exercise more, you will give them away. Now only that period of 3 years, Now is their duty to protect those people. They close their why? They dey for the GROA. So not even dey here. You want spend weekend fly go England. You forget say no be spirit do that one. If you no be mumu, if you no be slave to yourself, you no be slave to your own conscience, that is slave to your own reasoning, you go run go where other people develop. No be spirit, no be ogbonge work for them, no be alien, no be people from outer space. Those who develop those places here where they run they go, na citizens of this earth dem be. Now come and leave the people wey na supposed to protect, guide. Now leave them to say, oh Israel, every man to his own tent. Yes, na so it be now. But time dey come, the day of reckoning, they come for all of una. They come for all of una. So once again, I'm calling on the Edo State Executive, especially the governor of the state, and those wey dey work with am, make dem make sure say the issue of Iyogbe, make dem take am as priority o. Iyogbe don start am now, no for Benin. If you start something before other school don copy am. Make dem ensure say dem deploy security to all schools. I mean, they create environment wey bad thing dey happen, because na government na dey create those environment. I dey talk am every time, is deliberate. Those things we are seeing in our town is deliberate. Na script they don write am for us, for our children to act am, and we dey act am. Government wey fit buy AK-47 or to buy 1 million naira for one, if I'm not making a mistake, no fit pay minimum wage for workers. They, like I dey talk am, they created poverty for the people. Because they no create poverty, there are ways you can occupy children, people. You can occupy them. Those days wey they go school, we do holiday, we go some vocational study. That is, you fit go occupy yourself with other vocational jobs where you take get skills. All those things not dey again. They just kill them. Then if you come from holiday, you can't write your composition. Your how you take spend your holiday, you can't explain them, write them. All those things don't die, because those who were elect, they not get brain, they empty. Because they want may we be, instead of more progress, more they go backward. Then go the shop, they throw away. The small one we poor man want take, they'll still kick and throw away. How much na dog they take? How na they take up na dog for us? Dog will not get. Na value and pass the people we give una power. Na value and pass am. If not, this country they happen for Edo, not so they happen. For 21st century, children still carry gun, enter streets, they shoot with impunity. Because we not create that porous environment for them. Now create am for them. All those negative things, criminality, as the case may be, where they happen, is created by those who are in authority. It's deliberate. If una say na lie dey talk, make all of us sit down. Me, I go tell now. Now I know say yes. Na street me dey. My eyes is to the ground. My eye dey ground well. So una go sit down for SIAC. We now we know wetin dey happen, and we know una trick, and we will continue to dey expose una. Honestly, because na only coward as I dey talk, na dey fear death. The brave, when death come knock for a door, e go open door, e go embrace am. Na so e just be. I keep on I dey tell na this word, na no fit kill everybody o. Na no fit kill. Any idea wey time don come, na God dey effect am. Nobody, no barrier of gun dey stop am. So na my displeasure na I dey tell una so. How can we have governance over the years, and one thing we dey see, even worse, no changes, but the money that they vote into issues, e dey big. We no dey feel the impact for ground. How can we be voting so much huge money for security vote, up about 700 million or so, and we no dey get the effect on ground? Nothing's on ground. Now children will still come out for afternoon, come shoot gun with impunity. Abi una carry police station go there o, no dey blow hot and cold. We know now. Edo State government a continuous thing. Edo State government, I'm talking to you people now. Mona invoke, Mona use una power to restore sanity to our public schools. Parents Mona also play na part too. Me, I just dey talk my own as e just dey for my mind. Because wetin me I hear today, e bad well. We not supposed to see that kind of thing. We dey grow, we dey go from abi we dey go back. Na there me I end this tori today o. Na small word dey tell small pikin if e reach your mind, e go big. I still dey tell you now, those of us every Edo light, mo wake up from sleep, mo learn how to hold those who were let accountable. Now we send a message, they no fit be pass us. They no fit do pass as we want time. Now we go tell them say na this area na be priority. Even those of you of now we dey diaspora, mo na wake up, mo all of us drag them. When people start to dey cough, dey talk, those who select for there, then go dey shake, they go dey catch cold. Na there me end this tori today. My name remain leftist. Amoasa Ibinawaya.
Thank you for watching with us, and please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification button so you will always be notified whenever we're going live. Thank you.